Number 1. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Until Ford puts the Bronco into consumers' hands, or we see a direct head-to-head comparison, the Jeep Wrangler is the king of the castle if you want the best of the best. Look toward the Rubicon trim. While every Wrangler can go off-roading, the Rubicon is the most capable, with front and rear Dana 44 axles, 33-inch all-terrain tires, rock rails, steel bumpers, a 4:1 gear ratio, and electronic locking differentials. The Rubicon is the Wrangler to get for serious off-roading. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. The Toyota 4Runner is an oldie but a goodie. The SUV's V6 may be ancient, as is its 5-speed automatic transmission. But doing things the old way helps if you're looking to go off-roading, while the 4Runner's powertrain, platform, and design might be antique. Everything else is modern. The TRD Pro comes with 2.5-inch TRD tuned Fox shocks, TRD springs, thick skid plates, and Nitto all-terrain tires. You also get an electronic locking rear differential and Toyota's multi-terrain select system, while the 4Runner TRD Pro is the most off-roading oriented trim in the 4Runner lineup. The cheaper TRD off-road is available with Toyota's Trick Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System that can disengage the front and rear stabilizers for improved off-roading. Number 3. Ford Bronco Raptor. For most people, a regular Ford Bronco with the Sasquatch package will offer 99% of off-roading capability anyone would ever realistically need, but Ford created a monster when it introduced a high-performance Bronco Raptor. It's a machine that's ready for prime time with a twin-turbo V6 that makes 418 horsepower, special long travel suspension, massive 37-inch tires, and way too many other parts to name. The Raptor's wide stance and extra-large fender flares make it an SUV that will only appeal to hardcore enthusiasts looking for a ridiculously capable SUV. It's capable of flying over sand dunes and living out your Dakar dreams. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Before the Mercedes-Benz G-Class became a must-have for celebrities, the rugged SUV started life as a capable military vehicle, while the G-Class has slowly become more and more luxurious over time. It's still a capable off-roader at heart. You might find G-Class SUVs lined up at Starbucks, but with a 2-speed transfer case, 3 locking differentials, and a G-mode for non-AMG models that alters the powertrain, traction control and stability control systems. The G-Class is highly capable. Throw in the G-Class absurdly powerful V8 engine into the mix, and you've got an excellent recipe to go on an adventure. Number 5. Ram 1500 TRX. Ram took the proverbial bar that the F-150 Raptor set and blew it to hell with the 1500 TRX, shoving the Hellcat supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine into a pickup truck was either a stroke of genius or madness, as Ram created a whole new segment of go-fast off-roaders. With something that has 702 horsepower, the truck can get to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and makes an ungodly sound in the process. Apart from new-age electric trucks, the TRX is one of the fastest pickup trucks on sale. Number 6. Ford F-150 Raptor R. While the majority of off-roading vehicles on this list are all about hitting trails, the F-150 Raptor is more interested in high-speed off-roading. That's why it comes with a 450 horsepower twin-turbocharged V6 engine and Fox Racing dampers that offer 13 inches of travel in the front and 13.9 inches at the rear. The Raptor also has a Baja mode that helps it hit absurdly high speeds in the desert and soar over jumps. Owners also get to play with rock crawl and mud sand modes to tackle different types of terrain. Number 7. Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. Toyota came out with a new Tundra for 2022. So you know what that means, a new TRD Pro model. In addition to its in-your-face design, the Tundra delivers serious off-roading capability. With a new 5-link suspension design instead of traditional leaf springs, the TRD Pro steps things up a notch with Fox internal bypass dampers, a 1.1-inch lift, all-terrain tires, 18-inch BBS wheels, an electronically controlled locking rear differential, crawl control, and Toyota's multi-terrain select system. Instead of a V8 engine, the TRD Pro is only available as a hybrid. No, it's not an off-road version of a Prius. The hybrid powertrain in the Tundra TRD Pro is paired with a twin-turbo V6 for a combined output of 437 horsepower. It's stout, highly capable on rough terrain, and looks bonkers. Number 8. Land Rover Defender. The Land Rover Defender nameplate for the 2020 model year has been resurrected, bringing back one of the most capable off-roaders ever envisioned in a modern luxury vehicle. While the Defender might not have a body-on-frame setup or solid axles, the SUV can still go anywhere and do anything. With up to 11.5 inches of ground clearance, the Defender can ford through 35.4 inches of water and has a weight-sensing drive mode to ensure that it isn't damaged. Other high-tech goodies include all-terrain progress control and clear sight ground view, which is like cruise control for off-roading, and involves a live feed of images in front of the Defender. Of course, Land Rover offers a whole bunch of accessory packages to make the SUV more capable. Number 9. Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Mojave. Jeep has made a name for itself by offering nothing but rugged off-roading SUVs. But 2020 saw the automaker come out with the Jeep Gladiator, giving consumers a pickup that's just as capable as the Wrangler. If you want to go off-roading through rocky terrain and sand, there's the rugged Rubicon. If you're all about off-roading through the desert, the Mojave is a better option. Number 10. Lexus LX 600. Toyota doesn't sell the Land Cruiser in the US anymore. Instead, we get the Lexus LX 600, which is fine by us, because it's basically a fancy version of the global Land Cruiser that was just redesigned. With a starting price tag that's close to $90,000, you won't find many LX 600s tearing up an off-road track. That's a shame, because the LX 600 is an adept off-roader. The new LX 600 ditches its V8 engine for a twin-turbo V6 that makes a healthy 409 horsepower. The SUV also has a Torsen limited slip differential at the back, a locking center differential, adjustable air suspension, crawl control, and a variety of terrain modes to be able to go anywhere. It also has a luxurious cabin to get you there in comfort. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And press the bell for more videos. Thank you.